beyond vision, energize precise medical missions of Zumax. To achieve our mission, attention to every detail for a high-quality product is a belief that is rooted in the heart of every Zumax employee. To achieve our mission, each Zumax product must be tested at various stages before it leaves the factory. Any product that does not pass the test will be asked to be abandoned. Zumax insists on rigorous testing to meet the quest for quality. The pursuit of high quality is at the heart of our work. The source of motivation that drives us to produce higher quality products is not only from the efforts of the inspectors, but also from the feedback of our loyal customers. We believe that our pursuit of quality will enable us to become the Chinese benchmark in the global field of microscopic medical equipment.